The upcoming Bajaj electric motorcycle will rival the likes of other electric motorcycles such as Revolt RV400 and Okinawa Cruiser among others. Bajaj Auto, like every other OEM in India, is looking to broaden its product portfolio. It has come to light that the Pune-based two-wheeler manufacturer has filed a new trademark for Fluir and Fluir monikers in the country. Speculations indicate that these names would be used for the brand's upcoming range of electric products. Fluir is a Spanish word that stands for flow of steam or fluid. Since both the names sound similar, it might be in the case where only one brand name gets utilized. Bajaj already retails an electric two-wheeler in form of Chetak electric scooter. It is possible that at least one of these two trademarks could be used for the electric motorcycle. While the trademark applications don't say that they can only be used for a battery-powered vehicle, however, adding more sub-brands for conventional IC engine-powered vehicles does not make much sense since Bajaj already has at least 5 of them in its current lineup. If Bajaj uses these monikers for conventionally powered two-wheelers, the company will most probably have to delete some models from its portfolio, which is not likely to happen in the nearer future. An electric motorcycle seems the best bet since the trio alliance of Bajaj, KTM and Husqvarna are planning to amplify these electric lineup models. While the Australian and Swedish bike makers will be utilizing the platform of Chetak Electric to build their own respective scooters, Bajaj might well do the same with its own rebadged Husqvarna EP-Lin, which was recently revealed to the world. If it turns out that the way we speculate, the new electric bike from the Indian automaker is expected to be powered by an 80 kW electric motor, while other specifications are yet to be revealed. The bike is all probably will feature a battery swapping technology to address range anxiety issues. A similarly spec bike is also expected to don the orange of KTM at some range. On the other hand, Chetak Electric is powered by 3 kW battery pack paired with a 4 kW electric motor, which returns a peak output of 16 Nm of torque. It is offered with two drive modes, Eco and Sport. The e-scooter offers a maximum range of 95 km in Eco mode, while in Sport mode it offers a range of 85 km in a single charge. Bajaj retails Chetak in two trims, namely Urban and Premium, at a starting price of 1.45 lakhs ex-showroom.
Raindrop, drop top smoking, no cooking the hot pot. You fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up, open the park pot.